Who wants to see a real-life robot? SkillsUSA is just one of the ways Broan is involved. They also sponsor the Hartford Union High School Robotics Club.
My name is Bill Fung. I am the advisor to the robotics team here at Hartford Union High School. I also teach physics and science here. Our robotics team is part of what's called the FIRST robotics competition. FIRST is an organization that stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. And our team has been participating in the competitions for over a decade now. So I'm kind of a liaison between the school and the students and also the team and our mentors that help the students out. Our robotics team would not be able to do what it does without the support of our community. And that includes many local businesses such as Broan Nutone, because it takes literally thousands of dollars for this team to operate and to go to the competitions. Many of the students that that participate on the robotics team end up going into careers that are in engineering and in science and technology.
My name is Rina Diem. I am the Hartford Union High School Robotics team's mom. I'm the lead parent. I work with a couple of other parents and mentors from other local companies, including Braun, to provide business team support, safety support for the team. I have a team member as a student right now. If the team needs something not related to the building and programming of the robot, that's what I do. The robotics team provides a unique environment for the children that are on this team. And our team is unique because we are completely sponsor driven. We do not do fundraisers, demand payment from our children to be on the team. Without our sponsors, we would not have a team. So that's very, very important. Broan has brought us not only money for the team, but mentors for the team. Learning that those things are out there and it's part of the way our community works is really great for our team.
In 2019 was our first time ever going to Worlds. It was really, really fun. Just for us to start, it's $5,000, and then for us to get into the first regional, it's another $5,000. It is really nice, especially by Braun, this is how we got the medal to protect the interior of a robot.
At the beginning, it's kind of chaotic when you build a robot. It's like you don't know what you want to do. It takes up a lot of time. Sometimes it can be a little hard. You can't just do that with nothing. You need sponsors and other people behind you to help you. And they mean a lot to me, knowing that they can help us do all this. And it's really, they're just amazing people.
For more information, check out our website at HouseSmartsTV.com.